The House with Two Courts by Studio Mahajani plus Mahajani in PHALTAN, India. The House with Two Courts is a weekend getaway nested within the interior farmlands of a rural Indian village, seamlessly blending into the local architectural heritage and being true to its context. Paying homage to the earthy essence of the region, the house is a testament to vernacular design, featuring a symphony of stone and brick. Upon entering, the two inciting courtyards serve as focal points, blurring the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors. These courtyards are thoughtfully designed to reflect the rustic charm of rural living, where the living areas are bathed in natural light. The spatial planning revolves around these courtyards, offering moments of tranquility and a connection with the sky. The sloping roofs add a new dimension to the village skyline, echoing the language of the region while infusing a contemporary flair. Each stone is carefully crafted, fostering a sense of belonging. Each corner tells a story of craftsmanship and tradition, reconnecting with the surroundings.